Yo, what's going on YouTube? We back with another video. I look a little trashy. My fault. I just got back from the gym. But one of my packages came in. And it's actually the Subi Mods Carbon V2 Gurney Flap. So we're gonna be installing that. It's actually gonna be a two-part video because the rear spat's supposed to come in, but it got delayed, so I had to buy from somewhere else, and it's a whole thing. We got another surprise too. It's actually Tim's Gurney Flap came in today.
Yep.
For the SI. I think it's called a Aero Flap actually. But let's go ahead. It's gonna be a super quick video. I'm gonna do a, obviously cut to whenever the rear spats come to, but about in a couple of days or so. But let's go install the Gurney Flap. Okay, so we're out in the garage now, and it's hot as hell. It's actually like 94, 95 right now. But with no clouds or nothing, Texas skies, it actually feels like 100 right now. So it's super hot. But look how clean the car is. Like, look, just how clean it is. It's so reflective. Also, there's some mist. I gotta shine up the wheels and clean up some of the, detail some of the stuff because we got a car meet to go to tonight. So we gotta wash Tim's car and everything. But obviously, got to Gurney Flap right here, and we're debating. Actually, he's debating. I want to put him in a video, but he's debating actually showing it. But I'll probably convince him. Maybe time lapse the whole car wash process for him too and everything. But yeah. I'm gonna wait for Tim to come out. We're gonna install the Gurney Flap. Super simple install. But all we gotta do is wait for the rear spats, obviously in carbon to match everything. And yeah, I'm already out here for a little bit. I'm already sweating. It's so hot. But let's wait for Tim, and I'm gonna start with the install. This lighting is horrible. But this looks so aggressive, man. It looks so clean. The fact that it's carbon too makes it even better because it goes with carbon. Got so much carbon on the car. Even he complains that I have too much carbon. But I've seen it worse. I've seen people worse. I love this back angle though. This back angle is probably so nice. But yeah, y'all see for next video. You see how this badge doesn't match with that badge. So I'm actually gonna get these a different one. It looks so clean. It's already here, but I can't spoil for y'all. But yeah, this is gonna be for this install. I'll see if he wants me to film his. If not, then I'm gonna cut it to install the rear spats. Alright, so he wants to actually time lapse his wash. I'm just gonna head to the camera right here. This time lapse the whole wash for y'all. My fault, guys. Phone overheated, but we already did the second layer of soap, and we're currently washing it off. You tell how shiny it is. There's ceramic soap. Phone overheated, so we either put it in the freezer, but now the phone's all cold, so that's not good. It's getting all foggy and stuff. So I keep it outside, let it warm back up. But yeah, you can tell how shiny it is, and I'll show you the waterproof test after. For right now, just look at how shiny that is. It's still wet, so we haven't even fully dried it yet. Like mine. Just let it warm up real quick, and I'm gonna show you the waterproof test after. Alright, so let's test out the waterproof. I'll say it's pretty good. Probably looks super shiny and everything. So after this, we're gonna drive the car and actually install his Gurney Flap, which is a little bonus install, I guess. Instead of 2, we got 3 in this video. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna drive the car with him, and then we're gonna actually start moving towards that. The car is fully dry. We had to pull it halfway in to get out the sun. It's just in the shade. Looks so shiny now. Looks so good. just like that car. You can see my whole reflection in it and everything. It's crazy. So gotta dress up the wheels. Same with mine. This is old side skirts. He put on new Type R side skirts, but we go ahead and install the Gurney Flap for him. All right, so it's been a couple days now, and the rear spats have finally arrived. Carbon right there. It's not carbon on the top. I think it's just carbon laid, or what's it called? Carbon cover or whatever. Oh, carbon skin. That's what it's called. But that's fine with me because it's whatever, bro. I had a full one, but Subi Mods actually. I ordered from Subi Mods, but then they were like saying how that's out of stock, and I just asked for a refund. I just found it somewhere else. But they fit, so let's go ahead and get started with this install. I've already done it before. Oh yeah, this thing, look, unfortunately with this thing is, it actually didn't come with hardware at all. But luckily I still had all the old hardware from the rear, the ABS rear spat that I had at one point. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install with that, because why not? So all I have to do, if anything, I might use the clips, but if not, then I'll just use the nuts and bolts that I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it. And luckily with the Toman, actually clears it up. The last time, the stock, I had stock exhaust when I had it, and it was so big that I couldn't actually access where the holes were. So stop talking and just put the camera down and start installing it. All right, so here's it fully installed. I might have to push it in that way a little bit more, but not bad. It's gonna be a little hard. Here's the current setup. So I use all the clips you see is from the stock one. I might put a screw right here, but I'm not sure. But others, so these are all stock screws. They're stock positions, and then the nuts and bolts are actually from the old ones. So I don't know how I'm gonna do on this side. I might just do not that deep one, but I might just do one. We'll find out. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get started with that side. All right, and here is the finished product. Yeah, the carbon weave doesn't line up exactly with how it is, but it's because it's facing different ways. So that's my excuse for that. Here's this right here. You look under. I actually did end up using a new screw, a self-tapper pretty much, because the corner was a little loose, but now solid. Not going anywhere, especially with the clips and the nuts and bolts. So yeah, that's gonna be it for pretty much this video. You know, we got the Gurney Flap and the rear spats. You know, I say I'm pretty much almost done with the aero on the outside. Like I think the next step is moving on to the interior stuff, finishing that, which isn't that much, just a couple electronic stuff, you know, decoration stuff like that. Also still carbon, you know, I love my carbon and everything like that. But yeah, that's it for this video. I'll actually get a diffuser one day, but I just don't know which one yet. I don't like the whole rake style. Obviously it works, but I might just go back to the one I have, but just carbon again. And if I do that, then it's a whole thing. I'll look at it. I'll see which one I actually want to get. But yeah, if y'all like the video today, make sure y'all go down, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. Y'all get posted whenever I post a new video. And I'll see y'all later.